Halo guys, welcome back here again with me. Aku langsung mulai aja ya. The farewell. Jadi thank you kalian udah ngikutin aku terus untuk gameplay yang satu ini. Dan kali ini tuh sebenarnya aku gak perlu membuat video ini, tapi kayak berhubung video aku yang kapan lalu tuh kayak gone, jadi akhirnya aku harus buat ulang guys. Jadi kayak gak sengaja aku pas milih-milih data terus kehapus gitu. Ya sudah lah ya guys. BTW aku sambil makan permen ya.
Because you're not an idiot. Let's just humor him. Yates likes his little games. Don't be long.
You got my message.
You'd never get caught on camera. Not unless you wanted to be seen. So what's the play?
You're not the only one who's been busy, 47. I'm this close to becoming the next Constant. I'll be able to dismantle Providence from the inside. Only one man stands in my way. Don Yates. That weasel was the partner's legal counsel for years. He's the top candidate. But remove him from the playing field.
It won't work. If Edward suspects...
I will convince him you acted alone. Retaliation for Grey. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
The Herald, Tamara Vidal. She has eyes everywhere, and they're all fixed on you. The plan won't work unless we take her out.
She never leaves my side for long. Whatever your plan is, I'll help you if I can.
You're sure about this?
As sure as I'll ever be. Here, I got you an invitation, just like old times. Come find me when it's done. Good luck, 47.
Dulu guys, dan nama cuma ungu, nanti sendiri. Yang rumah atas sendiri. Nah yang bangunan kanan tadi yang dilihat dari arahnya Diana, ini juga sendiri. Jadi kayak harus kayak ini dulu. Jadi angkanya panjang ceritanya kali ini guys.
And Mr. Yates, it's Aaron, sir, from the firm. I came as quickly as I could. Yes, sir, I have the files. Sorry it took so long, but I've had to access our remote server to print everything, and I couldn't get my VPN to... Right. Sorry, sir. I'll be right inside. Oh my lord, is that a...
Hey! Oh!
Pick up. Terus kita nggak bisa disguise. Apa itu? Wait. Itu kok ada gambar lain? Kayaknya ada cover ya, tapi ini kok gak ada. Ada kok. Buka ingat foto cover ya wes lah guys. Wait, kayak itu info kita harus membuang ini.
Oh yeah, if you want to come through, I'm gonna have to pat you down. Cool?
Wait ya. Bentar, kita di mana sih ini dia? Aku lupa. Ini ya targetnya kan ada di sini tuh, tapi kemana aku ke sini ngapain ya? Gak ingat aku. Nggak perlu lah ya. Langsung aja lah guys. Gak perlu kayak biar gak ketambah kelamaan mungkin ya. Kita bisa ke rumah dulu atau ke sana dulu? Karena sih aku kayaknya ke sana dulu deh baru ke rumah. Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. If I'd known you were waiting, I would have called and let someone. No way.
Where is this here? Oh.
You can pretend you can be a full-time one.
Looking good, looking good.
Mana tuh ini?
¿Qué? ¿Quieres un peso?
Gak ada sesuatu kah yang bisa diambil?
That extra security detail was driving my wife and kids crazy.
We lucked out.
Kita harus mengikuti dia. Aku juga inget ya guys. Ini loh target kita.
Tamara Vidal. I'm here for the tourist team.
Ah, yes. Miss Vidal. My apologies. I didn't recognize you. Let me... Miss Birdwood? Mr. Yates said you'd be dropping by. Are you ready for the grand tour?
Who else will be attending?
Let me check. Just yourself.
It's not
Vidal,
unreasonable.
and Mr. Cornwall
Think about
Black,
it.
an employee of Mr. Yates from the New York office. He hasn't checked in with us yet. Would you like us to call him for you?
That won't be necessary. We'll go at our own pace.
No problem. I will tell Mr. Vargas, Chief Winemaker, to expect your arrival.
Kita harus elemen yang superior dulu guys. Sama yang tadi bapak
What do you
tua
make
yang
of this?
di shoot,
Well,
yang diomongin
Yates
sama
wants us out of
Diana
the
itu.
way. There's a reason we're the only heralds going on this tour of his. He's buying time.
Tuh kita ada yang ke bawah juga sana tuh. Atau buat apa?
Got a message from the boss. Duty calls.
Let me guess, the Burnwood woman.
That's right. Yates has arranged for the chief winemaker to take Burnwood and Tamara Vidal on a grand tour of the estate. Wants you to tag along.
Not for my sparkling personality. This Burnwood woman sure has his panties in a twist. Wonder what the deal is.
Yates' business is his business. Just get yourself ready and sign into the visitor center.
Kita tuh seharusnya ke sini dan ini dulu ya. Soalnya kan harus pakai baju ini toh.
Have a drink on my behalf.
I don't drink. Makes me sentimental. A private tour of the estate. Diana, Vidal, and this fixer, Corb. Mr. Yates. Yeah, I got your message. You mind telling me what I'm...
Nothing quite spoils
Okay.
a party like guests inexplicably dropping
Yeah,
dead.
I could do that next. In fact, a couple of spots come to mind. On the tour or after. On standby. So you're
Good
not
to see
sure
you.
yet? Does that mean there's a plan A? One where I don't stand a 50-50 chance of getting caught? I mean, you do realise the risk here, boss. Broad daylight, workers around. Who exactly is this Burnwood woman and how's she pissing on your parade? Yeah, all right.
Dia ini mau kemana?
But if I'm gonna be one
Oh
of these
ya ampun,
heralds,
dia
you
muter-muter
need
ya
to
guys.
start letting me in on a few
Myself,
things.
but if Yates wants to bring the heralds closer
Okay.
together and play the modern
So who's
ball,
this fool guy?
I don't actually mind. Edward's always worked
Take
with
it.
a bit aloof.
Plus, he has good
Nah.
reason to become
No, no problem.
Is Edward's
I just never framed an urban legend before. Very post-truth. Yeah, I like it.
I
Boys.
Yates is at the top of a very short list.
So, how do you feel about Burnwood?
How do you think? She and her friends
Apa ya caranya?
probably rock it. How would she think she would know?
Soalnya kemarin lalu kayak aku nggak ada di dia sih. Aku ambil mission story yang satunya kalau nggak salah. Ini kah kesempatan kita? Harusnya iya sih. Kalau soalnya di sini nggak ada orang. Oh, aku tahu.
What? What was that? No.
Ya kan?
Boys.
Dia datang. Nah, gitu kan? Tapi nih ya, baju disguise yang ini jadi di situ, tapi aku udah tahu guys itu untuk apa. Ini kita harus ngobrol.
Tell me you didn't, Pablo. Tell me you didn't forget the asado torch.
Okay. I didn't forget the asado torch, Miguel.
But you did, though. Didn't you, Pablo? Madre de Dios. Why do you have to be such a
Talk to
baby all the
reception.
time?
Reception itu mana?
Mr. Yates' gates are waiting. What are we supposed...
Sir.
Damn.
I tell.
Ya di sini kan kalau misalkan kalian memilih yang beda cerita pasti kan akan beda juga storynya tuh guys.
Corvo Black. I'm on the tour.
Right, Mr. Black. Welcome. Miss Burnwood and Miss Vidal will meet you down by the wine fields. I trust you know the way.
I can find my way around.
Enjoy the tour.
Hey, stay safe.
One of the most gifted
Yeah, but why
civil
is it?
specialists ever to graduate. Ran one of our recruiting.
You ask me, the Constant must have lost his mind. Burnwood was in league with Grey. She's responsible for killing how many of us?
Over here.
You two must be Burnwood and Vidal.
And you must be Yates's garbage man. Sorry, but I didn't catch your name.
This is Corvo Black, Tamara. He's a ICA regular.
I only work with the best.
Well, we're all here, it seems. Except for our guide, the chief winemaker. Looks like we're stuck here until someone fetches him. Mr. Black, I'm looking in your direction.
Hold on. I'll track him down.
Attaboy. Do try and bring him back in one piece. Counterintuitive as
how you
that may
doing?
be.
That was a bit rude.
Yes, it was.
Lo kok harus pricing sih? Harus nyamar dulu ya? Main bingung mau.
Okay.
Hey, figure out what that was.
Roger that.
Enter the Destiny Group, a fully legal, entirely official system.
Okay.
Go look into that.
Time for...
The partners created a power cabal bound together by secret and background. Enter the
I don't see anything suspicious.
I hope that's the case.
Damn.
Bentar.
Hey, figure out what that was.
Oh dia nggak kesini sih? Terus kita gimana cara disguise-nya? Bingung aku. Maka aku memanfaatkan dia, guys. Tapi kok tidak bisa ya? Oke dia.
Senor Vargas,
What? What is it now? What?
you have some guests waiting. Senor Yates wanted you to give them grand tour. Remember?
If I don't have more important things to do than babysit Yates' socialite friends. It's only harvest season.
Better do what he says, Patron. Big shot New York lawyer like that. Don't want to get on his bad side.
Well, I'm not going anywhere until I have decided if the crop is right for me. Bring me the 3 Malbec grapes to taste them all. If Yates doesn't like how I prioritize, he can weigh me down with concrete and toss me off a bridge. How's that?
3 grapes, was it? I'll get my picking knife.
Kita harus following. Diam-diam itu kayaknya memang ya.
It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it?
Cek dulu gak sih? What is that?
Now, what am I doing here?
Apa yang bisa ditangkap tuh? One step. Dan juga nggak bisa lewat sini, harus balik. Oh, kita bisa deketin dia aja loh. Pada susah kan guys? Aman kan? Ya nggak ada orang kok. Aman kan ketutupan? Nah kita buang ke sini. Nah, ini kita perlu disguise bisa sih ya. Dah, nah betul. Main tuh Inggris ya? Kunci Inggris ya? Ya itulah pokoknya bis. Ini apa nih? Gak usah. Mantap kita, man. Kita disuruh harvest kan? Oh, aku tahu. Nanti kita habis harvest, terus mungkin kita bisa DIY, guys. Ini apa ini? Kita bisa ambil Oh. Kita harus server di mana sih? Bebas dah. Bebas, ya ampun. Wait, ini dah. Kayak ini. Loh, apa dibuang? Loh.
Okay, you fake it.
Tak buang sih, guys.
Yeah, hey.
Wait, harusnya harvestnya gimana sih? Tirip maker nggak boleh nunjuk nggak boleh di kok anggur kok ada sih bisa dipanen, guys. Itulah baik, bukaan. Oh ini loh ya Bon, ya nggak sih? Nggak bisa. Duh, masa sih? Gak bisa loh guys, ini siapa? Masih story miss. Apa lamaan? Gak paham.
I grew up here. These majestic plains were my playground, and returning here to pick up the mantle of my ancestors feels just incredibly profound.
Our goal here at Vidyetta Yates is simple. From our state-of-the-art winemaking facility to our carefully nurtured grape stock, hand-picked with loving care by local experts, we have only one purpose: to make the best wines in Argentina and beyond. I was an attorney. For 4 decades, I served the law. Now, I serve something far grander. I serve the land, and the land of Mendoza longs to make wine.
I grew up. These majestic plains were my playground, and returning here to pick up the mantle of my ancestors feels just incredibly profound.
Here we have a Cabernet Sauvignon, a particularly worldly variety you'll find out.
Oh, kita harus ke atas ini dulu kah?
Stop you there, sir. Hey, just do what you're told, all right?
Boleh nggak?
Unless you got a
Boleh.
burning desire to find out what we do in trouble.
Mungkin harus pakai baju yang tadi juniornya tuh ya. Mana itu tadi?
I take it
Nggak
Edward
ingat.
told you to chaperone me. Any
itu di
idea
sini.
why? You know why. Trust is earned. Until Edwards is satisfied you're not sailing under a false flag,
Yo.
I will be his eyes and ears.
I meant why you?
I suppose I'm more perceptive than most.
You're also very loyal. My guess is Edward's decision to make me a herald is not too popular with the other
Oh, di
heralds.
sana ya kayaknya.
We were at war about 5 minutes ago. Some people are funny like that.
But not you.
I admire the craft, the audacity. Everyone said Providence was untouchable on a long weekend.
Nah,
The way I see it,
ini dia.
that cold.
Oke, sekarang kita ke atas ya.
Touché.
Ini kah?
You want to pass? I check your pockets. That's not up for discussion.
Tadi bisa belum tak keluar no?
Hey, yo, there's no need to flex. You ain't got to impress me.
Aman nggak?
Okay, everything seems to
Oh, grab knife.
be in order here.
Oke.
Hey, yo, get to stepping, Holmes.
Ada apa nih? Maybe something yang bisa kita ambil.
Go ahead. They're just for decoration anyway.
Mesti forward. Nggak pakai.
Right?
Hey there! Whoa, sorry. I thought you were someone else.
Oke. Ye. Mana? Bapak itu di mana? Bapak itu di atas. Mana? Keluar.
Mr. Yates, I have your files right here.
About time. You can set up shop in the ground floor guest room. I'll be right with you.
Gak boleh di sini aja dah. Yang cetutin. Kita cetutin aja guys. Wave. Enggak sih. Daripada nanti dia mengganggu jalannya cerita kita. Nggak mau.
And imagine her hands soaked in the blood of your colleagues, including my friend and business partner, Ken Morgan.
Nggak bisa ngomong lagi. Udah selesai.
A bloody trail of carnage and destruction, ending with the partners themselves and Arthur Edwards, our superior, the new supreme head of Providence, is giving her the keys to the kingdom. Now, does that seem right to you, my friends? Yes. That should get their blood flowing.
Dia ke atas lagi dong. Perlu nggak sih? Kayak dia membuka file itu dulu, atau kayak kita bisa langsung downloadin aja sih. Mana apa? Ya. Ya kan? Oke, sekarang ke Diana. Wait ya. Ini nih yang bingung nih, gimana nih caranya? Jauh banget nih. Yuk, salah, oi, salah. Kabur. Aku kira itu tempat yang sama, ternyata itu ke sana. Wait, aku harus save dulu. Save. Yes. Nggak, di mana kan mereka? Waduh, di bawahnya. Bawah ya. Meja itu apa tadi? Ini sih.
We're talking knee deep. The whole place looked like a horror.
Nah, mereka naik lagi. Oh, memangnya ini manusia nih. Ini pintu apa nih? Tapi bentar, cara misal mereka gimana guys?
I'm really starting to get hungry.
Right. I kind of want to get a second drink, but on an empty stomach, yeah, made that mistake one too many times.
Why are you here, Burnwood?
Didn't you know? I have tango fever.
Thing is, nobody held a gun to your head. Why did you take his offer?
It was time for a change.
I say, learning the truth about your partner. Harsh. But you see, I've read your ICA profile. All those years, you never took a contract for money or glory, only to serve your personal brand of vigilance justice, targeting those who write about the law, except
Coba aja ya. Kunci apa? Ini kemana nih? Tapi maaf. Oh. Wait. Mana kak ini? Oh, ini rumah yang laki-laki kan? Ini kan? Bentar, wait. Kemarin aku pernah ngeluat ini sih, tapi I don't know, guys. Terus ini forward, aku juga gak inget. Betul apa ya? Kayak inget aku. perlu ya.
No, they were discreet. Fine by me. I caught a glimpse of one.
Aku nggak inget gimana caranya memisahkan mereka itu guys.
Fine evening.
Oh. Whoa, slow down, my friend.
Recruit.
Gimana caranya?
Here's all.
Aku sebentar guys. Hey guys, back here again.
So you don't think the construction of a brand new dam right on the other side of the village might have had anything?
Lihat. Coba kita balik jadi apa ini? Oh.
I think one less drug lord would be a good thing.
Not if they're the lesser evil. Rico Delgado was a son of a bitch, but he was our son of a bitch.
Hey, watch out.
Mana nih? Pesan. Ada orang-orang tapi nggak bisa lagi tuh yang dulu itu kan Diana kan. Bentar, tadi baju kita yang jadi siapa itu tadi di mana ya? Aku nggak ingat.
Okay. Somehow, the mad bastards got it into his head that Martinez and his brother were killed by a Moreno assassin who infiltrated the Genesis. He's purging his own Sicarios at random, and they like 1950.
I feel you are violating.
Wait. Gak ingat. Di dalam itu tadi ya yang mereka pupuk itu kan. Lihat nih ya. Nah, apa tuh? Oh, cuma menjalankan printer. Kayaknya di bawah gak sih? Aku gak tahu sih, ini ada di mana. Aman. Take off?
Hi there.
Oh.
No, they were discreet about it. I caught a glimpse of one.
Cabernet Sauvignon. As you know, it's that row.
Oh,
Hey,
ada
fully
ini ya.
good. Would you? Present, including signature notes of firewood and mushrooms. It's not doing as much as I would like on the sides of my palette, is it? She's all front and middle, just a burst, and then she's finished.
I could do without that note of.
Sesuai mana yang harus di situ? Ini kah?
Wow. Right out of the gate, I'm getting impressions of Cecil Greenberry.
Ini kah?
Just on its tail.
Kak ngerti.
Very
Guys.
Just a hint.
you all up in my face, mister? Please, behave.
Bukan this one.
Our Cabernet Sauvignon is renowned for its complexity.
Have a nice day.
I believe you'll be pleasantly surprised. The legs on this one are quite something, don't you think?
Well, it makes me think of my college days, fixing up fraternity sangria. What do you think?
Cannot. Kenapa kok agak besar di situ?
Glass of red, please. Get any tips?
Now, notoriously known for...
Can I help you? You're kind of freaking me out.
Any luck?
Excuse me. You should try
Here,
this.
we
It
have a
really is to
Cabernet
die
Sauvignon.
for.
Harusnya kan begini kan, tapi di sana.
Let's head back
Oh.
to the pond.
Thanks.
Whatever you say.
That's all right.
Udah mari. Ini kah? Coba. Iya kayaknya. Iya. Oke. Nah. Yes, this one. Ini sebenarnya cukup dikit banget. Oke, tinggal nanti kalau mengapas ke sini terus kita serve ke dia. Oh my, tapi nunggu mereka muternya ini lama guys. Oh, tuh. Tapi mereka nggak kesini, kayak balik ke sana. Aku coba ingat kak, ada mereka. Tapi mereka kesini sih. Semoga kesini.
A glass of red, please.
Certainly, ma'am. Hi. You want to try something different? Yes, ma'am. I managed to find a bottle of our 2006 Pinot Noir, inspired by wines from the Aar Valley. Medium-bodied and fruit-forward, with an aroma of cherries and raspberry. It's to die for.
Pinot, you say? Maybe just one glass.
Hijau-hijaunya.
Now that's more to my taste. Almost Germanic. Odd.
Anytime.
I don't feel well.
Kita ikutin dia guys. Ntar kita save dulu. Selesai nih. Yang mulus mau ke toilet sih, toiletnya tadi ujung itu nggak sih? Tadi kita datang ya enggak, kita ngejutin 2 orang dulu. Tapi masalahnya dia masuk ke toilet mana guys, kaget dong nanti. Udah lah, kita lihat aja lah ya, disitu kan perjumpaan. Oh, Diana udah nggak buntutin ya? Aku tadi bakal buntutin tapi.
Weird.
It's odd, I don't deny it. But
Belet kan?
now he's gotten it into
Masih
his
ke
head
sini.
that the partners are all somehow dead.
Oke, masuk toilet pertama. Oke, bagus, good. Dah, kelamaan. Ya.
They murdered him. Duvall was a rat, but he had no choice.
Oke lah.
Just
Ah, kalau kesana tuh kemana? Kayak lewat sana lebih gampang sih guys. Oh,
47?
yeah. Okay.
It's done. Now what?
Now, we strike at the heart.
Edwards. You know how to find him, don't you?
Why, Edwards finds you, 47. He is untraceable, and he never lets you forget it. He is cocky, and that will be his downfall.
What's the plan?
Too many eyes. Meet me at the Olive Grove at sunset. One last tango, 47.
Oke, udah selesai. Finally akhirnya selesai guys. Kira diputar aja. Karena semudah itu harusnya bisa cepet sih. Tapi nggak tahu ya, mungkin karena aku udah pernah mainin jadi alurnya nggak sepanjang dan serumit yang aku udah pernah mainin mungkin ya. Karena yang aku pernah main itu jujur kayak muter banget sih, atau emang aku yang salah, harusnya nggak perlu semuter itu juga nggak tahu lagi. Nah, oke lah kalau begitu. Ya ini little story lah ya. Kayaknya bakal aku skip aja deh guys. Bisa nggak? Ya not. Tapi di skip. Oh bisa ya? Ya udah bisa. Oke, ya udah guys, gitu dulu gameplay aku kali ini. Thank you for watching. Semoga kalian suka. Jangan lupa share, subscribe, like, dan share dan komen. Oke?